Hey there, what is up you guys? I am Jerry and welcome back to the channel, The Chicago Griller. I have now been on YouTube for just over 1 year and I've shared a lot of great recipes on this channel, ranging from your typical burgers and steaks to some more exotic items like okonomiyaki. Now some of you observant viewers may have noticed that a lot of these recipes that I share on the Weber Q are really just roasts. You set the temperature and just let your cook go, much like you would do in a regular oven. Which begs the question, why do I use the grill and not an oven? Well, of course, there is the shtick of it all. This is a grilling channel. But in reality, there are 3 main reasons why I elect to choose the grill instead of an oven when given the choice. Let's explore these reasons in this video. The first and biggest reason why I cook on the grill instead of using the oven when given the choice is because of flavor. Now this is most obvious with charcoal or when using wood smoke, because the charcoal and smoke will infuse into the food, creating a flavor that cannot be easily replicated in an oven. However, this effect exists when using a gas grill like the Weber Q as well. And that's because heated elements in the grill, like the flavorizer bars in larger grills or the aluminum cook box in the Weber Q, will instantly vaporize any fat and drippings from your food. Those vaporized fat and drippings then infuse back into the food that you're cooking. And that's what imparts that unique grilling flavor that the oven just cannot duplicate. So once again, the first and most important reason why I choose the grill is because it simply tastes better. The second reason that I grill, if at all possible, is a more practical reason. And that is, it keeps smells out of the house. Let's use bacon for an example. If I cook it on a stovetop or even in an oven, it smells wonderful inside the house. However, truth be told, after a few hours, it does tend to linger, and I could come back half a day later and it still stinks up the house. This problem is solved when you cook outside. Now bacon is a little bit of an extreme example of this, but this happens with any of your roasts, whether it be chicken or quite frankly anything else. The third reason why I may choose to use the grill instead of an oven is because, well, maybe you just simply don't have an oven or you need more ovens. For example, if you are camping and have an RV or a caravan, you might not have a regular oven, but you will have a grill. So you'll need to use your grill as an oven. Alternatively, you may be cooking for a special occasion, like a big gathering of friends, or a holiday occasion, like Thanksgiving, and you need the extra surface area of the grill as an oven. So for example, last Thanksgiving, I cooked a duck on my Weber Q while I saved my oven to bake some beans and other sides. A fourth and final bonus reason on why I cook on the grill instead of using an indoor appliance, if the opportunity arises, is because for me, it's just simply a lot more fun. There's nothing like getting outside and in the elements and enjoying a great cook. Anyways, that will do it for me in today's very short video explaining the reasons why I choose to use my grill as an oven. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have any other reasons on why you use your grill as an oven. Thanks again for watching today. I come out with new videos every week, so don't forget to also hit that like button and subscribe so you can stay tuned as to when these new videos come on out. Thanks again, stay safe, and I'll see you all again next week. Bye.